It took Delhi's youngest chief minister just 48 hours to prove to his political opponents that his pre-poll promises are not unachievable after all, after delivering on the free water promise. Next in the Aam Aadmi Party's agenda is slashing power tariffs in the capital.
आज दिल्ली जल बोर्ड ने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के अध्यक्षता में, अरविंद केजरीवाल की अध्यक्षता में एक मीटिंग की और उसमें निर्णय लिया कि 20 किलोलीटर पानी जो डोमेस्टिक यूजर्स है, घरेलू प्रयोगकर्ता हैं, उनको मुफ्त दिया जाएगा.
Within 48 hours of sitting in the driver's seat, the Aam Aadmi Party fulfilled one of their biggest promises.
The Delhi Jal Board in its meeting has decided that 700 litres of water would be provided, but there are several modalities that really need to be fulfilled, and also, most importantly, this will only be provided to those who use meters. And what we are learning from the Delhi Jal Board is at least close to 50% residents of Delhi still do not have meters connected to their water pipeline supply.
A move that expectedly did not go down well with its rivals.
He had said 700 KL water free, and obviously he never stated that only to those who are already getting the water. Caveat he put later on. So as far as we are concerned, every citizen of Delhi should get 700 kiloliters of water in their homes through tap, safe drinking water, and free.
An unnerved Congress continuing to find loopholes in the Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal's prompt action.
The truth is that there are, at the moment, it doesn't make any economic sense to provide 700 litres of free water to somebody living in Chanakyapuri or Defence Colony or Maharani Bagh. It doesn't make any sense at all. And the fact that there are leakages or wastage, or many people living in unauthorized areas who require water, who don't have piped facilities, ought to have been the first priority.
You know, their leader tweeted that our estimated expenditure is 40 crores in the next 3 months, which means about 14 crores every month. 14 crores a month is the benefit being given to about 7 lakh families, is the statistic that I got. About 200 rupees a month is the amount they spend. So now this is what is happening to 7 lakh families. There are another 20 lakh families who don't even get water.
But Delhi government's fulfillment of one of its 18 promises, giving the people of Delhi a hope that this time they have chosen well.
देखिए सारा दिन आए, थोड़ा ही चाहे एक बार दोपहर में भी आए तो थोड़ा आराम रहता है.
फ्री पर ये जो फ्री में दिया है इसका तो ज्यादा अच्छा है ना.
With the water obstacle out of the way, the next big hurdle which the Aam Aadmi Party has to cross is to fulfill its promise to cut the power tariff. And with the DERC stating that power tariffs cannot be minimized for the next 6 months, it is likely to be an uphill task for the Aam Aadmi Party.
As Monday was a witness to the announcement on the water issue, Tuesday is going to be the big afternoon with regard to the audit report announcement about power tariff. As mentioned in the manifesto, this is going to be a very crucial announcement and the decision likely to be taken by the Delhi government. Even though on the first day Arvind Kejriwal could not reach the Delhi Secretariat due to his health, but 6 other cabinet ministers continued with their scheduled meetings.
Delhi now believes that it will witness good governance, but what remains to be seen is that if the Aam Aadmi Party continues to meet the expectations of the Delhiites. With these significant victories, Kejriwal may just be making inroads across the country. Bureau Report, Times Now.